In the tides of global change, China is rising at an unprecedented speed and scale, becoming a key force in reshaping the global economic landscape in tune with the times. Chiaus sets sail on a new journey, embarking on a new phase of global strategy. Founded in 2006, Chiaus is an innovation-driven enterprise, specializing in the design, development, production, and sales of high-end maternal and baby care products. Through cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship, we've built a reputation for excellence, driving high-quality growth, dedicated to lovely care the beautiful lives of millions of families. Chiaus actively embraces digital and intelligent transformation, with technological innovation as our helm and advanced manufacturing as our sail. Building an intelligent manufacturing system that integrates R&D, production, quality control, warehousing, logistics, and information management. Adhering to independent innovation and focusing on core technological competitiveness, Chiaus operates a provincial-level R&D center spanning over 1,500 square meters, featuring a top-tier international standard laboratory, attracting leading industry technical experts and research specialists, building a highly capable, top-tier talent team, exploring new technological breakthroughs. Chiaus has established a strategic partnership with the Department of Chemical Engineering at Tsinghua University, leading the new wave of national technology and collaborating with China Aerospace's Space Dream on groundbreaking innovations. Chiaus developed the world's first dual-core absorbent patented technology, boasting over 171 patents, including 20 for inventions, and obtaining 8 major certifications, including FDA, BSCI, and ISO, gaining international recognition. We've established a digitalized production system, leading the way in smart manufacturing. Chiaus has constructed a green factory spanning more than 100,000 square meters, along with a first-class operations center covering over 20,000 square meters, meticulously refining over 50 processes, creating an efficient and intelligent advanced production chain, successively introducing 15 international automated production lines to enhance quality and efficiency, bringing together cutting-edge equipment from across the globe to safeguard the production of every product. Building a quality management assurance system, strict control over 120 quality inspections before product shipment, equipped with a complete set of authoritative certified quality monitoring systems, adhering to high standards and quality, leading the industry's quality benchmarks. Innovating intelligent warehouse management models, operating a lean, automated three-dimensional warehouse, leveraging digital technologies such as the internet and cloud computing to intelligently manage and precisely control warehouse operations, improving warehouse layout and operational efficiency, optimizing supply chain management, and reducing production costs. Creating a digital and intelligent logistics ecosystem, achieving comprehensive monitoring and management of the logistics process, ensuring efficient, safe, and sustainable green logistics services. Building a smart engine for industrial information development, constructing digital service capabilities across the entire industry and full supply chain, achieving seamless integration from source to terminal, upgrading the IoT integration and intelligence across the entire product lifecycle, providing users with better and faster consumption experiences, driving the enterprise to sustain high-speed growth, selecting global high-quality raw material suppliers, covering countries like the USA and Germany. Chiaus uses global materials to achieve high-end products. Proactively planning a full category strategy, Chiaus meets diverse user needs. Product lines span baby diapers, paper products, cotton goods, disposable underwear, adult diapers, and so on, with well-known brands like Chiaus, Purely Close, Spring Talks, and Ballas. Chiaus highly values product technological innovation, leveraging its forward-looking insights into consumer needs and market trends, continuously breaking through technical bottlenecks over the years, using top-tier and excellent research capabilities, upgrading and launching the Genius Champion annual flagship product, innovating the skin-like waistband for invisible tummy care, leading pioneering technology in the industry, introducing the ultra-premium flagship product Nature's Care, while inheriting classic designs and continuously refining the acclaimed Golden Cotton product, engaging with fashion, exploring nature, and releasing the Purely Close Artist series as a standout product. At the same time, Chiaus strengthens its full category offerings in paper, cotton, and adult care, leveraging its industry-leading innovation to stand out in the competitive market. To date, Chiaus has won over 120 honorary awards, highly praised both inside and outside the industry, winning the favor and positive reviews of a large number of users. Riding the wind of the digital economy era, Chiaus expands diversified channel sales models, continuously developing multi-brand, multi-channel, and multi-form platform e-commerce, integrating and expanding new online and offline channel formats, achieving dual growth in sales scale and channel layout. Up to now, Chiaus has repeatedly been the sales champion for domestic diapers on various e-commerce platforms, deeply expanding cooperation with nearly 100 Asia-Pacific maternity centers, and multi-dimensionally stimulating new market consumption growth. Based in China, trusted worldwide, Chiaus actively engages in international trade, speaking with strength and winning with products, building a global network, serving the global market, cooperating with millions of overseas distributors for mutual development, with products sold in many countries and regions around the world. Accelerating international development, Chiaus collaborates with world-class soccer star OEM, signing an overseas image ambassador, strengthening the brand's global recognition and influence, building a national product benchmark. Chiaus appears at major world-renowned exhibitions, reaching long-term cooperation with several well-known overseas brands, fully showcasing Chiaus's international vision and outstanding strength. As an industry-leading brand, Chiaus adapts to the development of the market and the times, building long-term, noteworthy brand marketing campaigns, breaking through to reach new generations of consumers with more engaging and impactful marketing and brand strategies, fully enhancing brand image and positioning, responding to the national dual carbon goals, empowering the enterprise's green transformation. Chiaus actively implements the ESG plan, insisting on promoting the dual carbon strategy
and energy conservation and emission reduction work,
achieving full factory photovoltaic coverage of 21,000 square meters, with a total annual photovoltaic power generation of 2 million kilowatt hours, reducing carbon dioxide emissions by 1,994,000 kilograms annually. All along, Chiaus remains committed to its social responsibilities, actively engaging in diversified public welfare and charitable actions, collaborating with mothers from 9 countries to create the World Cradle Song Lullaby album, collaborating with Blue Ribbon to launch the Love Relay public welfare project, rushing disaster relief supplies to the flood-stricken Zhengzhou, Henan, partnering with Xinhua Net and the China Aging Development, the foundation to launch the Filial Piety for All public welfare activity at the Great Hall of the People in Beijing, focusing on elderly care, bringing warmth and care to countless vulnerable social groups. In the future, Chiaus will adhere to its business philosophy of sincerity, love, care, responsibility, and shared benefits, caring for the healthy growth of babies with love, building a beautiful future for families with heart, continuously providing global customers with better products and services, rooted in China, trusted by the world.